I don't know how this turned into modelling a vending machine stream, but it did. I think just to make that read as if it's like a panel, I'll put some little like bolts in the corners. So let's just say that's the corner, eh? Put it there, and then if we select those two, we can mirror them down. Get rid of the curves. I'm not one for keeping curves. Some people really keep everything, but I find that, you know, if I wanted that curve again, I can just press on the geometry and do Shift D, and it duplicates it as a curve. So you find yourself stealing a lot of curves back from stuff you've already designed. And